Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Union County, Illinois, northwestern Johnson County, Illinois, southwestern Williamson County, Illinois, southeastern Jackson County, Illinois, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cobden, or 7 miles north of Enna, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cobden, Goreville, Lake of Egypt area, Makanda, and Alto Pass. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 8. Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 34 and 49. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Jackson, Johnson, Union, and Williamson.